So who's ready for some yummy goodness? I know I am. So I got my design team package today, and I wanted to share with you what came in it. So we have this stamp and stencil set from, it's Dylon, I think it is. I always keep it next to me because it never dilutions. It's a Ranger. So that's going to be fun. And then this 49th and Market, it's their laser cut shapes, and it's basically chipboard, but it has all different shapes and stuff. There's some gears and a clock and the word timeless, and um, I just thought this was really a neat set. And actually, it was supposed to go with a different paper collection, but I think you can still make it work with this one, and we'll talk about that as we look through the papers. We have the Distress embossing ink and some Wow metallic gold embossing powder. All right. And then we also got the 49 and Market flower set. This one is called the Shadow, and you get 23 pieces in there. And then the paper collection. It's really, really pretty. And even though it wasn't my initial selection, once I go through it and I'll show you guys, you're gonna love it. You get 2 sheets of each of the pattern papers, so you get 12 in total. And we're gonna go through that real quick. This paper right here is so pretty. And then you have the polka dots on the back. You have this one where it's more distressed. You have some wall bricks on the side. And then on the back, it has that more like a burlap, or yeah, burlap kind of texture. Then we have more flowers. Um, and then on the reverse side, I'm showing you there some of the distress that's already built into the paper. Then we have the tiles on the back. Now, the tiles aren't necessarily something that I like, but I definitely like those flowers. Then we get 2 sheets of the wood grain with that really unique pattern. And then on the back, this is like a distressed lace. Come on now. If any of you guys love that shabby chic look, then you will love that paper. This one, I was looking at all the flowers there on the side. It would be great to like cut that out and use it as like like a part of the like a canvas or a layout that you're trying to create. It's so pretty, and the back was pretty too. Same thing with this one. We have the flowers on the side. You see all the brick in there? How awesome that it goes well with the stamp set and the stencil. So you can use your embossing paste, light paste, whatever stuff that you guys have. You can even use inks, and you can add dimension on top of that paper. And then you also get a sticker sheet, which has some great borders, some sentiments. I love the flowers up there. I kind of wish you could get two in a package because those flowers are so pretty. So you can do a combination of layering with the sticker flowers and with the flowers that came in the set. So in the kit, you're going to get all of this: the embossing powder, the embossing ink, the stamp and stencil, the chipboard pieces, and the flowers. And what's really awesome is, you can use that embossing powder and ink on the chipboard pieces to add a little pizzazz to your project. So you'll be seeing that. And I'm really excited. I know some of the projects that I have in mind. I have an altered um, like an art journal cover and stuff that I want to alter. And of course, you guys know I'm going to do some cards. Of course. So keep an eye out. And I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you hit the link down below. I will have a link to scrapbookingwithme.com. If the kit is up on the website, I will make sure it is down below as well. And I hope you guys have a great day.